Charcuterie.
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 Delicatessen.
Delicatessen.
Prosciutto.
Prosciutto.
Ramekin.
Ramekin. The chorizo and the cheese ball. A pleasant Prosperous New Year 2021, Ausome friends! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ausome Jemee. In today's Ausome Cooking 101, we will try to get in on the food trend of putting together an impressive charcuterie board. Charcuterie board is always in fancy restaurants and are extra expensive. The parent delicatessen or deli meats and cheese are what make the charcuterie board very costly. With its growing popularity, it is now becoming a must-have in social gatherings, especially during holidays and celebrations. With a little of our creativity, we're going to prepare a DIY do-it-yourself main provide version of a charcuterie board. We will create something amazing using the holidays leftovers as ingredients. There's no really a hard rule on what we should put into our charcuterie board, so we can customize it based on our budget and liking of the ingredients. But before we continue, let me just show you what I learned. So what is charcuterie? It's a French culinary art since the 15th century. It is the art of preparing and arranging cured meats, cheeses, and finger foods on a platter or board. Charcuterie board is also called meat and cheese board. What should be on a charcuterie board? Typically, meat. This includes a variety of cured meats, smoked meats, and cold cuts. Curd cheeses include deli meats such as prosciutto, salami, pepperoni, paste, ham, chorizo. Next is the cheese. A few types of cheese with variety of texture and flavor, such as soft and hard cheese. Others include olives or pickles, nuts, jackfruit, crackers or bread, jelly or jam or honey. Let's continue. So far, here are what I found in our printed cupboards, which are leftover ingredients from Christmas and New Year. Lucky, I got most of the ingredients, except the peanut deli meats, which is the centerpiece of the charcuterie board. Actually, we seldom eat deli meats. They are not really healthy. Eating that in moderation to satisfy your cravings should be fine. Since this is a DIY, my improvised version of charcuterie board, we will proceed using what we have on hand. For cured meat, we got here some bacon, chorizos, and a slice of spam, which is a leftover ingredient of my favorite spam veggie fried rice. For the rest of the ingredients, here's what we have. Cheese. We have a leftover slice of cheese ball, which is hard cheese, cream cheese, which is a soft cheese. The most common soft cheese is the brie, but we don't have it, and a little harder cheddar cheese. Nuts to add some crunch, we have oven roasted cashew nuts and sliced almonds. We have no olives now, so we will just use some pickled relish leftover ingredient from making the macaroni salad. For dried fruit, we still got some raisins left. For fresh fruits, let's add peeled pumpkin and sliced apples. Drizzle lime on the sliced apples to prevent them from browning. For fresh vegetable, we cut the carrots into sticks. For the dough, we got pesto and olive oil. We don't have jam, but we got honey here. We have some leftover green crackers. I'm also adding other leftover sweetened purple yam to add more flavor and color to my charcuterie board. Now, it's time to arrange the ingredients for our charcuterie board. We're going to make my own charcuterie board.
Can you show me what are the ingredients?
The cured meat, the cheese, the fruits, the veggies and the cheese, and the dips, the pesto and the relish, and the olive oil and the honey. I am using a 9.5 by 13.5 inches with cutting board. To make a good presentation, let's arrange ingredients in contrast colors, adding different shades. Let's try to arrange in a way the colors are balanced. First, we'll start with the ingredients, which are filled into the ramekins or small balls. Pickle relish, pesto, purple yam.
Okay, come on.
Cured meats.
Use your small fork.
I'm putting spam, the chorizo and the bacon.
Okay, put it back.
Followed by the cheese, cream cheese, sliced cheese ball, the cheese ball.
Okay. Okay, then on the other side,
cheddar cheese cubes. Let's fill in big pieces with sliced apples. Peeled pumpkin.
you have to fix it. Remember, it's an art of arranging, right?
I'm arranging. Look, I'm arranging.
Okay.
Carrot
Okay, next.
sticks. Yeah, carrots. Add the raisins. Over roasted cashew nuts and sliced almonds.
Then the cashew nuts. Not too messy. Oh, come on, fix.
Green crackers. Fill up other spaces.
You can separate the crackers. Put the meat at the center, okay. Still a lot of spaces.
How about the cheese?
cheese.
Both didn't fit in my space. The honey, olive oil,
Oil, where can you put now?
here.
That's it?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. They're fine. Okay.
Okay.
Voila! Pretty much, this is my simple DIY charcuterie board. It looks perfectly custom, right? Enjoy making your own charcuterie board at home with your family. Don't be afraid to mix and match the ingredients according to your own liking and budget. Come on, Lexi! Bon appetit!
Do you like your charcuterie?
I like the
Jemee?
charcuterie. It's delicious.
Hey, is it?
Yeah.
Which one are you going to try?
Green cheese?
You have to use a new fork.
Look.
Okay, you have to pierce it. Yes. Are you sure you're going to taste everything?
Yeah, it all fits.
Okay. How is it?
So delicious.
Yummy. Yummy. Yummy.
Can I drink juice?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Like the veggies first, because it's healthier.
So good and tasty.
Okay, so what do you say?
It's perfectly amazing. Perfect. Just finish charcuterie. Go, charcuterie. How is using all your charcuterie?
It's amazing, Jemee. Perfecto.
Is it perfecto? Are you done?
Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you find it useful and inspiring, please click like and feel free to share it. The goal of my channel, Ausome, is to promote the social value of special needs kids like me. To support my advocacy, please click subscribe and watch out for more of my inspiring videos. If you have any suggestions which you would want me to include in my future videos, please type them in the comment section below. I enjoy reading your comments which are helping me to interact better. I'm trying my best to reply back on time. I may be different but not less, because I can do all things to Christ who strengthens me. This is Jemee saying, let's spread love and have an awesome day. Bye! See you again in my next video. Mwah!
We're going to start now. Okay? Oh, let's practice the first page. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Can we just be serious? We should be more serious. Can we distracted
Okay.
for 5 seconds?
Yeah. Big math. Okay.
Because I can do all things to Christ.
Because, again.
Are you gonna
Okay.
edit?
Oh, yeah, I will edit. Slowly, please. And open the mouth. The honey and the oil, where can you put it now?
Here. I can't want fit right now.
You can fix it.
Now who cares?
Huh?
Who cares? I'll get rid
What are you saying? Okay, so
Like
that's...
it.
Oh, is that's it?
Yes, just like that. Just
Oh,
like
okay.
that. Oh, can we just edit the complaining and the laughing?
Okay.